Hey guys, it's Beauty Heaven Sam and I am here today to show you my journey with microblading. I'm here today with the lovely Nicole from Venus Artistry at Lash Central. So the process starts with applying a numbing cream, which they pop on for about 20 to 30 minutes. After this, your brows are then measured and marked for the perfect shape. Next is the blading process, where the hair-like strokes are drawn and the pigment is applied to implant into the bladed area. The treatment cost can range from anywhere upwards of $700. Guys, I'm back, except it's the newer, better version with these 2018 brows going on. As you can see, they've healed up super nicely. I had the first session, which you guys just watched, and then I went back for a touch-up about 2 weeks later. They're all healed up and I am so happy. Overall, the experience was really easy. It was completely painless. Nicole was fantastic. She talked me through every step of the way. The healing was really easy as well. You apply a cream each morning and night. That just helps the healing process, so there's not scabbing or scarring or anything like that. I would highly recommend for anyone that has shorter brows or sparse brows and just wants to really thicken them up. You can go for a really natural look, or you can go for more of a defined 2018 style brow.